Really excited about this news. Dot Foods, Applico client, has just announced their acquisition of Morsum. This is a food tech startup, really focused more so on the kind of food service side of Dot's business, right? This is separate from the Shop Hero acquisition, which they announced last year, which is on the retail and grocery side of Dot's business. This one is really on the food service, which is catering down to restaurants and those kinds of business customers. So Morsum and Ted, the CEO at Morsum, and the Dot team are really, both of them are brilliantly positioned to take the amazing technology and product and team and capabilities that Ted and the Morsum team have been developing, and then couple that with Dot's scale. If you don't know much about Dot, they are the largest food redistributor in the United States. So that means that they have thousands of distributors who are customers of Dot, right? So instead of a classical distribution business selling to, for example, a restaurant like a US Foods or a Cisco, Dot is selling to food distributors, and then those distributors sell to restaurants. So they're actually called a redistributor. Actually one step up in the supply chain. The really cool thing about redistributors is they have such a huge ability to scale solutions, right? If you think about their impact, right? Think about their impact because they're one step up in the supply chain. If they sell to thousands of distributors, and then how many thousands of, let's say, restaurants do those distributors sell to, right? So you kind of see the multiplying effect that happens when you think about all that downstream scale in this redistribution model. Very exciting, really wonderful news announced just recently here, and we couldn't be happier for Ted and Joe and both the Dot and Morsum teams.